Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. It's Glisten and Glow. As you can see, we got a bunch of it. This is just another installment in the PBE 2023 mini-series. They gave us a sticker, but we also got a mystery polish. You guys know how I love a good mystery, so we'll definitely see what's in here. But let me get all these unwrapped and then we'll look at them and do some swatching. So first, obviously, these don't need swatches. This is a top coat, a glitter grabber top coat, and a matte top coat. These are just all different types of top coats that are handy to have. Glitter grabber is for putting on top of glitters to help it make a smoother texture because it's just kind of a thick boy. But that color, yeah, and this comes highly recommended, so I had to try it. Top coats. Alright, so we will start here with the colors. This one's kind of a milky, which is what I found interesting. Milky white, and then it's got purple glitter in it, but it seems to be two different shades of purple, or one of them may even be a flake. Not super sure. It's called Better Together. Oh yeah. Look how cute that is. It also it kind of reminds me of like candy. I gotta pay attention to where I'm at on the screen. I was off screen. Pardon me, guys. Yeah, so white with this speckling of purple. Delicious looking. I should have put down a black background, but it is what it is. We've got another reflective. This one's a gold reflective. I am super pleased with this one. I don't have a gold reflective. It is called All of Me. Look how pretty that is. Definitely one that you may want to build up with a couple of coats. But it is gorgeous, stunning. Got those carrots. It's glistening. Next one, it's a black reflective. Very dense, very nice. It's called Love Story. Taylor Swift, hit them up. This could be your signature shade of black. Black with a reflective glitter. It paints on a bit sheer, so you definitely will want a couple of coats, but I think that helps that we can see the different layers and depths of those sparkles. Very galactic though. Loving it. We've got another one of these nudie pinky browns with a shimmer in it, but this one's shimmer is purple. It's called Living Free in 23. Very cute. It actually has pretty good coverage as well. You could do two coats if you wanted, but it may not actually be necessary. Let's compare it to that other one that we were talking about that's in a similar vein. They're very different, actually. We've got another reflective. This one's blue. High tides and good vibes. Look at it go. Sparkly, oceanic, beautiful. Couple layers of this would do it just right. Blue is one of my favorite nail polish colors, and glitter only makes it better. Noticing a theme, lots of reflectives. I just couldn't help myself. Every time I ran into them, I was like, I need these. This is another green reflective. It's in the shade Vitamin C is for me. Excellent, very good. I'm gonna have to compare these to those other blue and green reflectives, actually. Let me set this down for 1 second. So these are the two from Glisten and Glow that we just looked at. And then here are the ones from KB Shimmer that we did in a different video. They've had time to dry down. Now I can tell just preliminarily, these ones are more matte looking, at least for now. This green is more fruity, more electric, whereas this one is more subdued. And then this blue is slightly brighter than this one, so they are different, at least there is that, and these may take on this kind of mattified when they get dried down as well, but I don't know. But they're different. Then we've got this one. This one is a dark blue, inky, purple shimmer type thing with green reflect on extreme angles and yellow. It's called Hope for Tomorrow. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a bit sheer, a bit glassy, and almost a dark turquoise base. I like that. That's very nice. How cute. You would not have thought it would look like that based on the bottle. But with buildup, I imagine it would start to look like this. I like that it does have options though. Now let's see what's in this mystery. Ooh. Hold me closer, Tony Danza. Hilarious. Oh, it's from the June 2023 Polish Pickup. It's got a green to purple with a little bit of blue and pink in there. Shimmer. Look how opaque that is. That is a really good coverage for a white. It was not milky. I wish I was showing this one to you on a darker background. Oh, and I've touched myself. How delightful. But yeah, I like that. This would actually look really good if you used a toothpick to drag some swirls through it as it dried. That makes a really cool effect. How pretty. I am pleased with that mystery. Alright, so that is all of them from Glisten and Glow. I've got a lot of good stuff. Which one is your favorite? I don't know if I could decide. They are all quite beautiful, and it's good to have these 3 staple top coats. But that's it for this video. Again, stay tuned. There's a bunch of these. I still have quite a few more, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.